Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to fix the issue creator search inside not showing up. So let's get started. First, let's make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Sometimes simple updating the app can resolve many issues. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Then search for TikTok. If there is an update available, go ahead and update it. Once your app is updated, let's move on to the next step, clearing the cache. This can help resolve any minor glitches. Open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three horizontal bars right at the top right corner to open the Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down to find Free Up Space and tap it. Finally, tap Clear next to the cache option. If clearing the cache didn't work, the next step is to check your account settings. Go back to the Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account. Make sure your account is a pro account. If it's not, switch to a pro account because Creator Search Insight is only available for pro accounts. Now, if you're still not seeing the Creator Search Insight, it might be a regional availability issue. Sometimes certain features are rolled out gradually and might not be available in your region yet. Check the TikTok support page or community forums to see if this feature is available in your area. If all else fails, you can reach out to TikTok support for help. Go back to Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Describe your issue and submit it. TikTok support should get back to you with assistance. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Creator Search Insight not showing on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.